Hi, this is SL Dimension. Welcome back with another tutorial. Today, we will show you how to create lip and groove in Solidworks for both planar and non-planar. Mating surface of two body. Lip and groove is a powerful feature to create advanced profile in your design. Firstly, for planar face, follow the video instruction and practice yourself. You can change your profile parameters as per your design and during this feature creation. Try to input different values and see the results. When the result meet the expectation, then click OK to create the feature. Now for non-planar mating face, follow the video instruction. Keep in mind, without this feature, you can create lip and groove manually by using other feature tool as well. Keep watching, keep practicing, and keep developing your SolidWorks skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Happy modeling!